Hi there, Yogi, Virendra Yogi. Om Shanti. Let peace be the dominant factor in this world. All should follow the path of truth, justice, peace, love, and non-violence. All should be happy, peaceful, joyful, serene, and calm, composed, poised mind. All are enlightened Buddha. This is my presumption and assumption. But dear friends, I tell you, there are a lot of people who are sometimes ambitious. Majority of the people don't have definite purpose, so they are meeting failures and defeats. Time after time and again and again and again, and their life is just dependent on some external forces which they are nothing like that. They are the creator of their own destiny and fortune. They are the master of their fate and captain of their soul by virtue of the thought they choose and encourage. But they blame everybody for their failures, for their defeats, for their miseries, for their sorrows and suffering. I have wonderful wisdom words for those people. Dear friends, your mind is the master power. It can only mold and make your life better. So put the right seed of thought in your mind. Whatever dreams and desires, aspirations you have, make it into the form of a obsession of your life, consuming obsession. You say yourself, I want it and must have it. Have a definite plan of action with tremendous drive, with tremendous love and affection towards your destination. Seek the advice of the best people and keep on working perennially, permanently, falling but rising, failing but still not losing the hope, still rising and trying for best, optimistic, positive mental attitude, control and self-disciplined mind, concentrated, focused, creative imaginations, budgeting time and energy, and always maintaining a sound physical health, always maintaining a very equanimous mind, which is always saying, I can do it. I believe in the power of mind. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve for me. And never weeping, never bittering, never crying, because these are for weeks. But one thing I let you know, you may plan anything else. You can have different ideas and visions, but we are all born differently. 7.5 billion populations of the earth, they are not made similar. That's why our biometrics, when we do our fingerprinting, they're different. All are made to do some different great work on this life. All mankind are created equal. All have the intelligent substance in the form of their supreme faculties in the mind, body, brain, intelligence.